Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do an overview or a walkthrough on my CHR. We'll talk about what I did on my car. So let's start with the interior first. Come on, let's walk here. So first, well, since we're here, so we're going to talk about the covers on the side mirror, the garnish, the side garnish here, and the over fenders. But yep, so with the interior, which I did not able to make a video on it, are my seats. So but I got these covers from AliExpress. I requested this custom colored. I think these are like wine red. Same with the Lexus colors. And yep, it's a little dark. It's dark. Okay, so yep. And oops. Okay, so I got this door seals in here. This came from Japan. They are originally made for the Toyota Hi-Ace, but I was able just to put them in there just because they're TRD. I can't find any TRD, legit TRD door seals for the CHR. But yep, so the seats are nice, they fit well, and I have my throttle controller here I got from Thailand. So it's the Boost Speed Next, so you can control it on your phone instead of pressing it here, or yeah, just put my phone there. And yep, so that's my dash. Let's go inside here. Yep, so here's my stereo. It's a Joying Android head unit, which you can watch the install video here. And this is the console, the divider. So I made it functional, so now I can put my garage door opener in there, because I cannot put it anywhere really. If I put it on my cup holders, just rattling in there. But yep, so this is mainly my interior. So I got the car seat in there for my kid, and that's basically it. Well, I did some LED, change all the interior lights to LED, so including the back dome one in there. So yep. Then I got now the roof rack. The roof rack with my light bar in there. Well, my kid is playing in my car now because I'm here in the garage. So yep, so I got my wheels, the Graham Lights 57DR, wrap on Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. So I got some, so I bought the center caps also with the raised lug nuts in there. So these are all authentic, no wraps, no fakes. So yeah, so, oh my god, all right, so it's a little dirty right now. So oh, H&R, if you're wondering why I have an H&R springs, H&R sticker in there, I have my lip, which we can really see in here, somewhere in there. But yeah, so I have H&R lip springs. So it add approximately an inch in the front and 1.2 inches at the back lift on it. So adds additional ground clearance on it, so it's better. So I live here in Washington State, So we occasionally get snow, so I want to make sure that I can use this car in snow. So, well, I was able to use it in snow before, so on stock wheels, and I have no issues on it. So I drive like what, 50 miles one way to work, and yep, so I have no issues. So AEM, that is my intake. Shout out Hazard Boy Performance. Let's say a brother Edward. All right. So what else do I have here? Oh, I got my garnish, my rear garnish in here. So also my rear skirt, or whatever you call them, garnish, add-on, whatever. So the seal, legit TRD badge from Japan. I painted it out because the stainless, I don't know, it's having some issues on it. So yeah, and then my HKS exhaust, bolt-on exhaust for it. It's made for the Corolla, but it's bolt-on for the CHR. So because they have the same TNGA platform on it, and I also have my rear center fog light. So yep, this is functional. So yep, so quantum solenoid, the VVT solenoid, so it's a must-have. So it adds additional power to it. So check their website, they have a dyno on a CHR, so it added additional horsepower in it, not significantly high, but it adds up. So once you add that intake, you have some in there. So yep, Grupo Toyota in the Philippines. So got my Rhino rack platform bar in there. What else do I have? So that's mostly it. So we're gonna go with the front. Okay, so I got my headlights, stock housing, but we have some LED high carry LED bulbs inside of the headlight. With the fog lights, I got the same high carry brand LED lights. They're so good, like them. So I got this lower front bumper DRL lights in here. They're nice at nighttime. And well, I'll just put the AEM. It's a freebie from the AEM intake. I got this laser etch TRD plate on it. I got it from Etsy, I think. Yep. And it's a laser etch one. Yeah. Oh, and with my fog lights, I have a yellow film in there from Laminex, and they're still in there. Okay, so the memory got full. So yep, so that's what I'm explaining is, yep, got the Laminex in there, the film, the yellow film. So then I got this red strip in there in front that I put. It's still in there, it's holding up. I think I got this one out from Amazon. Some generic door edge, red door edge trim. And this one, I got this TRD badge or emblem or whatever. It's a legit TRD part from Thailand. It's actually made for the Fortuner and the Hilux. So yep, there you have it. Oops, focus. There you go. Yep. So yeah, so let's open the hood. One moment. Oop, I can pull it. I'm short. There you go. Sorry for a minute. Big face. Let's open this. So I'm just gonna hold it. So I got the TRD oil record plate in there just because I'm not using it. They're not writing on it. So yep, but it's just a dress up kit. So I got the CUSCOJAPAN strut bar in there. I got my TRD oil cover, the cap. So you got the AEM short ram intake. This is a nice intake because like this air reservoir in there, whatever you call it, whatever the official name, so it connects to the air box or to the heat shield, and it feeds cold air from here. So wherever it's getting air from here, so it feeds through here. So it's nice. So it acts like a cold air still, without putting it all the way down by the fender liner down there. But yeah, so I still have my factory battery on it. It still works. So yeah, so this is all I have on this car. So I have the solenoid in here, the quantum solenoid, both intake and exhaust quantum solenoid. So they're over there. So definitely it's a must-have. So that's all I have on this car. If I missed anything, I'll update you to it. I'm planning to replace my... Wait, let me just close this one up. There you go. So I'm planning to replace my ducktail spoiler, the back. So I got the one that I'm be putting on. So I'll make another video on that. So I don't know, it's just I've been too busy. Even I'm not working, I've been too busy. So yun na nga. Yeah, so I hope you like this short walkthrough video. So I'm not really gonna edit this video, I'm just gonna dump it. It's gonna be a raw vlog on it, raw video. So yeah, so here's my messy garage. So I have some tools in here, whatever you have or whatever I have. So I have some collections there, my old hobby. So yeah, and then I have this other garage. So yep.
Everybody, welcome to my city. Today, but the light is broken, but I did it. But so it was my fault, but so I do that. So
she broke something. So she got the switch in here that controls something.
Yeah, she says so.
All right, so we're gonna end the video here. So please subscribe on my channel. So our goal is 1,100 subscribers till the end of November. So if we reach that goal, we're gonna raffle off a CHR strut bar. All right, so yep, so subscribe on my channel, share the video, and hit like. All right, thank you for watching.